Hi guys, welcome to Explore with Ivan and Zane. Today we'll be taking you along on a sweet adventure at Hershey Park, which is located in Hershey, Pennsylvania. Tickets typically range between $45 and $90 depending on discounts and promotions, so it's always worth checking ahead before you go. From the general parking, we hopped on to the free tram at Tram Stop 1, and this was such a lifesaver, especially with the kids, because it saved us from long walks to the entrance. The ride was quick, easy, and super convenient. And once we arrived at the entrance, we made our first stop at Hershey's Chocolate World to kick off the day's fun. Make sure to stick around because later in the video we'll show you how we created our very own customized Hershey's chocolate bar, and it was definitely one of the highlights of the day. Chocolate Town was pretty packed when we got in, and before diving into the activities, we decided to take a pause, explore the area, and then also take some photos. So we did just that before heading on to start our activities.
Oh, okay.
Ivan's very first activity of the day
There
was
you go.
Hershey's Unwrapped, which is an ultimate chocolate tasting
Let's go.
game.
Okay, let's
There was
go.
an interactive show held at Hershey's Chocolate Academy where we learned some of the secrets behind Hershey's famous chocolate and discovered different flavors and used all our five senses to enjoy the experience. While we waited for our professor, Ivan couldn't help but dance along to the music. At the end, he even earned a special certificate from Hershey's Institute of Tasteology, along with an extra chocolate bar. Since Dad was busy taking care of Zane and missed out on the activity, Ivan decided to share the chocolate with him. With our certificates and chocolate in hand, we were ready for our next adventure. At the Great Candy Expedition, we were given special passports that guided us through the adventure, which was complete with activity stamps and puzzles to solve along the way. Jeannie, who was our train engineer, welcomed us aboard and took us on a magical ride through Hershey Land.
Also be collecting treats and bringing them back here to Hershey's Chocolate World. On this trip, you're more than just a pet. Our station attendants are here to share more Hersheyland goodness with you too. See you on the train soon, and we'll set out on our journey. It's guaranteed to be chock full of wonder. Is he ready? Chock full of wonder. Okay, bye.
Passengers, you have a few minutes to explore. We'll be back.
We have been informed that we can now load on the Hersheyland Express. May I hear an all aboard? Let's load on the platform.
From our seats, we could vote using buttons to choose which sweet stops we wanted to explore. Our journey took us through Kisses Valley, Jolly Rancher Junction, Kit Kat Chambers, Reese's Ridge, and even Twizzlers Forest. And each stop was full of colorful surprises and fun facts about our favorite treats. At the end of the ride, Ivan was so excited to receive a candy pouch filled with goodies from all the places we visited, and it was such a sweet reward for our fun journey and train ride. It was fascinating to learn that Hershey makes 70 million Hershey kisses and 25 million Reese's peanut butter cups every single day at the Hershey factory. Do you know how many twists are in a single Twizzler? Drop your guesses in the comments below. After exploring Hershey's largest candy store, we moved on to one of my favorite activities of the entire day, which was creating our very own Hershey's chocolate bar. This was such a fun and hands-on experience, especially watching as Ivan's chocolate bar came to life, from choosing the style of the bar to picking ingredients, toppings, and even designing the packaging ourselves. Before entering the innovation lab, we suited up with overalls and hair coverings to get ready. Then we scanned our tickets to create an account, selected the type of chocolate bar we wanted, and picked out all the fillings. Next, we chose our toppings and moved into the creation lab, where we tracked and watched each step of the process on the screens. The best part was getting to design the packaging, making each chocolate bar completely unique. And it was amazing to see all the different stages come together, and being able to personalize everything made it such a memorable activity. This is truly a must-try experience whenever you visit Hershey's Chocolate World. Since Halloween is just around the corner, there was a trick-or-treat adventure at Chocolate World, so Ivan decided to go grab a bag and get some of the treats.
Let's go. Pumpkin. Yeah, pumpkin. Let's go. Yeah, you got it? Junior.
Here you go. You want a bag and then you can go trick or treat?
Oh, take a bag? No, take the bag.
Take the bag.
Let's go. Let's go. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. Trick or treat. Yeah, yeah. Trick or treat. Put it in your bag. Happy Halloween. There you go. Yay! Say thank you. Go ahead. Go to the next one. Thank you. Happy Halloween. Look, my friends have more down here. You want to go buy one? Thank you. Why? Happy Halloween.
Oh, wow.
Thank you. My friend is Cal over there.
Oh, wow. Ah.
It's a cow. What's a cow say?
Okay, thank you. Let's go. Happy Halloween. After Ivan picked up his trick or treat goodies, we decided to step outside for a little change of atmosphere and to explore Chocolate Town. There, we found this really fun wall where you can check your height against different Hershey sweets. And I did check my height, but I couldn't decide whether I was a Jolly Rancher or a Twizzler. What would you say I am? We also stopped to take some photos with some of Hershey's characters, and then we headed back inside for one of Hershey's most iconic experiences, which is the free chocolate tour, which basically shows you the process of how Hershey's chocolates are made from cocoa bean to finished bar.
inside the vehicle all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Shining tangled of sugar filled to the local farms and lined outside of factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious, distinctive taste. Part of milk chocolate is to make sure all your additives meet high quality standards. Once it passes testing, we make sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened
so tired after the tour, so we couldn't make it to the park for the rides, but we plan to visit again next month. So turn on your post notifications and subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. Hope you enjoy this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.